Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 67 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are going to be beginning with exercises on 6 notes with exercises 98 and 99. As you can see, my surroundings are different. I am finally back in Europe, Bratislava to be specific, so I can actually sing in my apartment. It's a wonderful privilege to be out of the car. So let's get ready and let's look at exercises 98 and 99.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
The thing to really watch in these next few exercises, all the way through 111, is that we're in the time signature of 6/8. So that's going to have a little bit of a different feel. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just feel that rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that will help you kind of feel the flow of these next passages. And here is exercise 98. And exercise 99 is a little bit different because we've got that jump of a third in the middle. So just watch out because that can get a little bit tricky. And here is exercise 99.